Thank the gods we are finally home. Igwe Olisa will be glad to have this head.
I think we need another head.
Dike, this is our kingdom. So whose head will you be needing in our own kingdom?
What is it?
A dream.
A dream? What dream?
It's a revelation of a conspiracy.
A conspiracy?
Yes.
Against who? My lord. My lord, you make me worry.
Gods of my land, any man who wants to use my head for his food trust, his head will be used as coal for his father's enemies. Maka na o nwere engine nke na esi no mmu bụ ibe dele ya ka nwela anazi mmiri. My beauty, let us go inside.
Ikenga, Lion of Anoba.
Amadi, I do not have to unwind this.
You should have told me so that I could stop by at Uzomba's house to drink. Okay, please. Can I use your cup to drink at Uzomba's house?
You cannot use my cup, Amadi.
Ah. Okay, I can see you are not in a good mood. Let me take my leave. Ikenga. Anam.
My lord, I wish this journey could be left for another day.
I know you're still worried about the dream last night. But I trust the gods. They will not allow the strongest warrior in Anoba to die. I will come back alive. I promise you. I'll come back.
I wish you well, my lord.
Thank you, my beauty. Prepare my favorite meal. I'll be back before sunset. I'll be back.
Tell him I said I will not send this sound of warning again. I do not want any man to touch even a pinch of sand on that land. That land belongs to us. We inherited it from our father.
Your words are clear, Your Highness. They shall get to Igbo Bika as they are.
Good. If he threatens you, let their land have a taste of their blood. Kill every living thing on that clan.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Go well.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Kingdom,
My princess.
be careful and may the gods lead you.
Adaka, I never thought of it that way.
If you ask questions, the gods will definitely answer.
Are they going to come back alive?
I see blood. I see blood on the soil. The blood keeps moving, and the blood cannot be sucked by the dry soil.
Is it the blood of our people? Is it the blood of the warriors?
Your Highness, how many warriors did you send on this errand?
Only 3. Dike, Ikenga, and Noka.
But you should have sent more men.
Those 3 have gone on such errand before and came back alive.
Your Highness, if those men are killed, Umoba will attack us unawares, and there will be no one left.
Do we make any sacrifice to the gods to protect them?
We need to make sacrifice as fast as possible before they get to Umoba. You will bring 1 white cock and 1 white he-goat, and we'll make the sacrifice at Abanano.
All right.
But first, take this pot to Yoma and fetch some water with it.
Bring the pot with you.
Go.
I'll take my leave now.
Go, Your Highness.
Who could that woman be?
Your Majesty.
My eyes have not seen such beauty in this community.
She's Ikenga's wife.
Ikenga's wife.
Yes, Your Majesty. She's from Amesi.
I want to see her in my palace right away.
As Your Majesty pleases. Abama.
Like it. I greet you.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
The king will want to see you.
The king would want to see me. My husband! Now, is my husband okay?
Your husband is okay, Abuma. I think the king has something to tell you.
About my husband? Where is he?
Your husband is okay. I don't know what the king has to tell you until you see him.
The king has something to tell me.
Yes.
And it's not about my husband.
I don't know until you see the king.
I should follow you.
Yes. The king is inside.
So I should follow you inside?
Yes, the king is inside.
Feel free and sit down.
No, Your Majesty. I'd rather stand and listen.
You're going to be fine. Sit down. Sit. Sit.
I never knew your people have such beautiful maiden like this.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. Have a drink.
I do not want to drink.
But your people like this.
Yes. But I cannot drink on an empty stomach.
You're such a beautiful woman.
That was not right, Your Majesty.
No one tells me what is right or wrong. A few months ago, a woman raised her hands on me, and I beat her up and skinned her life. Just a few weeks ago, a woman told her husband what happened between us, and I buried her alive. So you better relax. I said relax.
We'll take right.
Why? This is not the way leading to Umuoba.
I know, but we're taking right. A spy might tell them that we're coming.
Kinga, how would the spy know where we are going to?
I am not here to banter words with you. We're taking this path.
I have a say on this one. I will not follow you to Umuoba through this route.
DK, Ikenga is right. We will use this route. Besides, he's our leader, and whatever he sees, goes.
DK. Mutakle na marbe mili no mavia marbe no makonya mako.
Father, not again.
What did you just say? Let me pretend as if I didn't hear you.
Our king asks us to tell you, to tell your people to leave our land.
Go tell your king. He is a stupid and foolish man. He is a lunatic. His father slept with a mad woman, and he is the result of it. Tell him that. You just insulted our king. My king! What did you just say?
Said you just insulted our king. No one insult the great king, Olisa, before the three warriors of Anuba and FREE Movies.
You brought war to my treasure then?
He's speaking the truth. An insult to my king is like an insult to the gods.
You stand before me to blaspheme the gods? Because of that lunatic you call a king? You say this around nonsense because of a lunatic.
Opika, we will not condone any more insult on our king then.
Did you just call me by my name because of that idiot?
Obika, beware!
Igwe Obika. One more word against my king, I will kill every living thing in your hands.
Are you not afraid to die?
Yes! Bring him out. There!
Igwe Obika.
Ikenga, please. Please, Ikenga. Don't kill me, please. Please.
Do you still want to insult my king?
No. No, I beg for my life, please.
One more insult from you, your head will roll on the ground.
Sorry.
We will not live here without a human head.
DK, stop.
Ikenga, don't ask me to stop.
DK, I said stop! These men deserve to be buried with their heads for serving their king.
We will not live here without a human head.
Our king did not ask us to come back with a human head. I'm in charge. You must follow my orders. Let us go. Be at the front.
Why?
Dike, I am your leader. Be at the front.
What did you say?
The king has stopped us from coming home with a human head. After Igbo Bika called you terrible names.
Ikenga, how true is that?
Your Highness, you never told us to come back with a human head. Our fight over there was to protect your name.
Protect my name indeed.
Your Highness, I did not see any reason for human head. Besides, we're not in any battle with them.
Ikenga, if you had not fought and won several battles, I would have said that you're a weakling. How could you kill his guard and you have nothing to show for it?
I am sorry, Your Highness. I thought it was needless.
Shut up, Ikenga. From today, you cease to be the head of my warriors. Drop the golden sword and walk away. Dike,
Igwe,
you are now the head of my warriors.
it is an honor, Your Highness.
Pick up that golden sword. You may go home and clean your body.
Thank you, Your Highness.
But Your Majesty, if you ask me, I would say you were quick in your judgment. Fighting and killing the people of Umoba because their king insulted you is enough act of bravery. But bringing back human head is a signal of war. Or how do you see it?
Your Majesty, Ndukwe is right. We all know that if it was right for human heads to be brought, Ikenga would have come back with 7 human heads, yes, if not even more.
Yes.
Huh? I have made my pronouncement, and that is final.
It is only a coward that watches the kite take what belongs to him.
get me water to wash my
My Lord, your silence is killing me.
It is only a coward that watches the kite take what belongs to him.
The gods have watched a kite take away what belongs to me.
Who might that be, my Lord?
What is it, my daughter?
Father, what has the king done to demand his demotion?
It is my decision to choose who becomes the head warrior.
Father, why would you choose DK over Ikenga? The same Ikenga who single-handedly saved your life from the hands of the people of Ndieme. Ikenga who has led our warriors to so many wars and came back with victory. Father, this decision of yours is not fair.
DK is capable of doing the same. He is a strong man.
Father, I know there is something else to this, and whatever it is not right. I am totally against it, and I know the gods are too.
Why did you not make the sacrifices as the gods wanted?
But they came back alive.
Your Highness, has that answered my question?
Is it the gods that wants to know?
When a man decides to use the same finger he used in his hands to feed himself, it is considered folly.
Mandy, can you stop being stupid?
In my dream, I saw you swimming in the pool of blood. Opara Ebenine. Opara Ebenine.
Get out of my sight.
Hmm?
to your king. Take it! And tell him that it is from the people of Umuoba. Let's go.
What is it?
Igwe, the princess.
What about the princess? Where is she? Speak!
3 men took her away.
Took her to where?
My king, I don't know. But they gave me this to give you.
My daughter's clothes?
Yes, my king.
Umuoba have done the worst. Umuoba una bagagu akanodo.
God! You summon me, Your Highness.
Yes. Get your men and search the bush and the forest. The men from Umuoba have abducted my daughter. I want her alive. Go now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Umuoba. Jelaka wolum. If anything happens to my daughter, that war will last forever.
Your Highness, I want you to calm down. Nothing will happen to her. They know we are capable of wiping the entire Umuoba if anything happens to Adeza. I believe she's safe.
Where is my daughter?
We have searched the forest and the bush. There is no sign of her.
I sent you to Umuoba to bring my daughter back.
Where is Ikenga?
We are not talking about Ikenga. I want my daughter back.
Your Highness, if we take this with strong hand, Princess Adeze will die.
So do we fold our hands and watch them punish my daughter?
We have to extend a hand of peace just for them to free Princess Adeze. And when that is done, we can then strike.
Igwebika will never understand peace at this point.
And that is the only way out now.
Dike,
Your Highness,
get more men. Go to Umuoba and kill them all if they refuse to hand my daughter to you.
Yes, Your Highness.
That's the best thing for us to do.
Get to Umuoba and they refuse to release Princess Adeze to us, we will kill everyone in the palace. very big mistake.
What should we have done?
We should have turned back when we saw that the palace was empty.
You should have said that.
Are you not the leader with the golden sword? Excuse me.
Noka.
Get me some water to wash my hands.
Ikenga. Ah. If you see what I saw at Umuba today.
Behave like a man, Noka. You are a warrior of Anopa.
Did you say behave like a man? Did we fight like warriors of Anopa when we were at Umuba?
That is not why you should be talking anyhow on the road.
Hey, you are welcome, great warriors of Anopa.
If he had gone with us to Umuaba, this wouldn't have happened to us.
Stop! What do we tell the king?
The truth.
Huh?
Yes, the truth. The truth?
Why are you nervous?
Did you tell my husband anything?
Did I tell him you'd let my father take you in?
Please. I cannot explain how it happened. It all happened so fast.
Ikenga is handsome. He is strong. He is every woman's dream.
Please. Did you tell him anything?
Not yet.
Then I beg you. Please. I love him. I do not want to be sent back to my clan. He's everything to me. Do not tell him anything. Please.
What did you say happened at the palace?
The people of Anopa brought a fight to us, and we slaughtered them like goats.
Is my father safe?
Yes, my prince. You need to see the fight. Mba and his men attacked them and killed 3 men at the spot.
What a great news. Great news. We are not supposed to fight over what does not belong to us. Did your father not tell you that that land belongs to Anopa people?
My father told me that the land was given to us when we helped them fight the people of Oboji.
No one has ever helped the people of Anopa fight any clan. No one. Besides, they did not have any boundary with Oboji people.
Please, don't kill me, please. Please, don't kill me, please. I beg you, please.
I will not kill you if only you shut up your mother for long. Stand up.
Stand up!
How do you mean he took you unawares and killed 3 men? Now where is my daughter?
Your Highness, we'll have to go back there with more men.
You're stupid. I want my daughter here alive. Today!
Your Highness, I have good news.
Do you know how to free my daughter?
Your Highness, this young man here is the son of Igbo, the prince of the land. Let us send words to Igbo Obika and tell him that we have his son. He might let the princess to go.
He can get the lion. Odogum. Has anything happened to my daughter?
I have no idea. I've never seen your daughter before.
Shut up. I'll give your people until sunset to free my daughter. Else, I'll kill you.
Please let me go, please. I beg of you. I know the land in question belongs to you, but I am not in support of this.
God, take him to the cave.
Move!
Dike,
Your Highness.
go back to Igbo Obika and tell him that I have his son.
All right, Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Ademanto.
I want to go home to my father.
You cannot go home now. If the warriors of Umoba see you, they will kill you. They are laying ambush, so I cannot allow you to go home now.
You're not making any sense to me. I want to go home.
You want to go home? You want to go home? This is the way. Go home.
Where did your father keep my daughter?
I told you I don't know what happened in the palace. I was in my mother's place.
I will kill you. I will feed your flesh to the vultures if in 2 days your father doesn't release my daughter.
Wait, I swear by Annie, I do not know anything about this. Please let me go. Please, I beg you.
2 days. 2 days.
I beg you, please, let me go. I do not know anything about this.
My princess.
A princess. We finally found you.
My princess, we should be very, very fast on this path.
Yes.
I can never go back on my words of beheading the Prince of Umoba if anything happens to my daughter.
Princess.
My daughter, did they hurt you? Where did you find her?
We found her when she was almost in the mouth of death.
I'm happy to stay.
Your Majesty, now that we have found her, what do we do with the Prince of Umoba?
I will still kill him to show his father that I am the man who is so loved by the gods.
Your Majesty, this will bring war between our people and the people of Umoba.
I do not care about what is right anymore.
Your Majesty, but before we do anything, I suggest we take Princess out of this place. Maybe to her mother's place. Till all this whole fracas is over. Please.
Your Majesty, I think it's right.
My daughter will stay here. Dike and Noka and their men will protect her against any harm. Dike, go and get more men and guide Adese's hut.
As you wish, Your Highness.
What is going on here?
We are guarding our beautiful princess from the enemy.
I do not need this.
We are acting on the order of the king.
My father's order? Father! 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 Father, I do not want those men in my hut.
My princess, you need them. The people of Umoba are very crafty.
Very crafty.
They might strike any moment.
Yes.
If there is any man to protect me, not Dike.
Dike is loyal and strong. He's the new head of the warriors.
And I said I do not want him. I want Ikenga.
I will think about it.
My princess, this noise will keep our enemy from coming closer.
Oh yes!
And I said I do not like it.
We have heard you.
Palm wine. Ukwenu. What?
Anonte wayo.
Hey, palm wine. Brother, there is danger.
Danger? What danger? I have these feelings that the warriors of Umoba are in this clan.
Is that what you feel? Or the danger you're talking about?
I just want us to be on the alert.
You're right. But let's drink first.
The witch doctor of Umoba. Mama ibuna Muhammad. Muhammad ibuna Muhammad. Your Highness, I am here to talk.
Ikenga, if you are here to beg me to make you the head of my warriors, you have failed.
Your Highness, there is danger. The people of Umoba are...
I do not want to talk about them now.
Your Highness, this will save us from danger.
Ikenga, go home.
All is set. Thank you.
And you can now go through the back door.
Thank you.
And he knows that I've played my part. Kings want to see you.
Noka. Agu. Anonte. Obele, video. Wow.
What?
How could you be asleep while they beheaded my daughter?
What is this we had?
These useless warriors were asleep and my daughter was beheaded.
She might still be alive.
Don't try to use sweet words to suit me. We all know that when the people of Umuaba beheads maidens, they sent her hair strands and clothes.
Igwobika has done the worst. We have to kill his son, behead him and send his head to him. That should be a good reprisal killing. Eh?
Your father thinks he is smart, but I will teach him how to be ruthless. I will not only kill you, but I will cut your body into pieces and give your head to the children to play with. And finally, I will wipe out the entire people of Umuaba.
Wait. You see, I don't think it is right for us to kill him here. Let us take him to the bush and kill him there. Or we'll go and kill him before his father.
No. It will be done here. Dike, what is the meaning of this? What is happening here?
I don't know what happened.
You're an idiot.
It must be the handwork of our enemies.
You are a clown. Now take him into the bush and kill him.
Yes, Your Highness.
Gather the whole warriors. Go into Umuaba and kill every living thing there. Set the clan ablaze and bring back slaves.
Good.
Not too fast, Your Highness.
We must slaughter them all. That is the only way this can be forgiven.
Your Highness, Umuaba now have a strong witch doctor. We must prepare our men for a week before we go into battle with them.
Then get our men prepared.
Let them meet me at my shrine.
These people of Moab, they are scalawags.
Princess Adeze is dead! Hey! 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 Hands of the gods. What is this that I heard?
Where will you with Kenga?
Huh? Hey! 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 What is this that I'm hearing? Huh?
This is terrible.
Igwe.
So terrible.
Igwe, what I'm hearing, is it true?
Where is Ikenga?
He is no longer the head of the warriors.
I did not ask who the head of the warriors is, but I ask, where is Ikenga?
Here I am, eyes of the gods.
With you, the men are complete.
Kejebe n'ime ọgwụ. Keje n'ime ọgwụ. Keje n'ime ọgwụ.
Keje n'ime ọgwụ. Now remember, from now on, none of you shall eat any food prepared by a woman. You shall not sleep with your wives. You shall not shed any blood of any animal until this ritual is complete.
Your seed grows inside me. Your Highness.
What did you say?
My husband has not touched me in a while.
No one should hear about this.
I'm scared.
How could I have put myself into this?
Gods of our land, I hope my blood stands as an atonement for my sin. Please, do not take my life, but punish me. Punish me for my sin. I have desecrated the land. Ah! Punish me, gods of our land. But do not take my life. Please. Ah!
Dip your hand. Dip. Go ahead. Come and dip your hand. Yes, go ahead. Come and dip your hand. Go on. Come and dip your hand into the pot. Go on. And dip your hand into the pot. Go on.
Ndukwe, you're not saying anything.
Your Highness, your seed grows inside your mama. And you didn't tell me that.
Yes, I did. I know you're not stupid to think that I left her untouched.
The gods will not be happy.
I know. Everything is not happy. My daughter is dead. And now this.
Now, what do we do?
I should be asking you that question.
Let this torture cleanse me of my iniquity. Let this torture cleanse me of this iniquity.
No man born of a woman can shed your blood in battle. In war. Eye of the gods.
Ndokwe, no one invited you here.
I'm here, in the order of the king.
What did he ask you to tell me?
Can we talk in secret?
Ndokwe,
Eye of the gods.
the toad may claim to be a great singer, but not everyone understands what it says.
But Eye of the gods, I can't understand you.
Go. Tell the king that the gods are not yet done with the Kinga. Go.
I will go.
Did you tell him I was the one that sent for Ikenga?
Your Highness, I did. But the way he talks, it's like he knows you're up to something.
He knows what?
Actually, I don't really know, but it was too witty.
We need to seek other ways.
Your Highness, if she dies now, it becomes double abomination. That means you've killed their own seed.
I do not care. It is better I suffer that than to suffer the shame of sleeping with another man's wife. You know the implications of that.
I do.
Banishment or death.
In that case, you have to think about it. You think about it, Your Highness.
Abomma.
Oh, Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Have a gift from the king.
Tell the king I received his gift with a heavy heart.
One go. Thank you. How much blood do I have in my hand? I regret ever involving myself in this. What happened to you? Amadi, why are you jumping up and down in the whole bush?
This is my bush.
Your bush?
No one trespasses in my bush.
Amadi, you are no more a small boy. Grow up!
Huh?
Yes.
Did I hear you say I should grow up?
Yes, grow up. You are no more a small boy.
Okay. I will grow right in front of you.
I agree.
Just watch.
I'm growing up. Grow up. Yeah, actually, I'm growing up. Grow up. You
don't even know what you are saying. Which way do I go now? Why is this road 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me follow 1.
Why are you so nervous?
Igwe, she is still alive. The poison did not work on her.
I knew it. I knew it. What? Hey. There are many gods in our mercy. One must be protecting her.
Hey, Igwe, I hope he doesn't come after me.
Don't be a coward.
I'm not a coward.
Keep quiet. There are many ways I can achieve this. So don't worry.
So far I'm safe, Igwe.
You're safe.
Hey. Many gods are ways. Hey.
May the gods of our land not reject my spirit.
Greetings, beautiful lady.
Greetings.
I
know who you are. Ikenga, the great warrior of Anupa, the one whose name rings like the Iroko over the 9 clans of Imo.
What is your name?
Apamma.
You're really the meaning of your name.
Thank you. What brings you to Amesi?
I am coming from my maternal home, Achina.
The water is heavy.
Oh, pardon me, let me help you.
No. What will people say when they see the great Ikenga with a pot on his head?
Let me worry about what people will say. What matters to me is my heart. Let me help you. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Mama, mama. Mama.
This is my house.
Your house? Oh. Where do we drop it?
Just here. My house.
Your house?
I lost my mother a few months ago.
Oh, your father?
He died a few days after I was born.
I'm sorry. I was raised by my mother.
It's nothing. You shouldn't be sorry. You want to come inside to have something to eat?
Oh, no. I have to run along. The sky is overcast.
Very well then. May the gods be with you.
Thank you.
My heart cannot stop leaping at the thought of him. Ikenga. For the very first time in my life, my heart leaps for a man. And who is that man? Ikenga the Great.
If not that a warrior would not know when he will go back to his source, I would have asked you to stay by my side forever.
Bring wine to my people, and I will stay by your side forever.
You will marry me?
I want to stay where my heart lives.
Thank you.
Ikenga, what have you done to me?
That question should be directed to you. The great Ikenga of Anupa now runs around the bush with a woman.
It's called love. Love has brought us to the right place.
I love you.
I love you too, great warrior. As it pleases the gods to bring us together, may their love shine upon us.
You see?
May their love be the light that leads us in all seasons.
You see?
And he said,
I shall bring wine to your people tomorrow.
Then my heart will be complete.
I love you so much, Amama.
My warrior, my Ikenga, the great warrior of Anupu.
Coming from you, I am fulfilled.
Thank you. God forbid. God forbid that I take my life under the same tree where love was built. To Fiakwa.
Our wife.
Such is the word that puts lofty men into enticement.
What does that mean? Aye. Oh no, Ako. She's supposed to have killed herself. Hey.
Kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Kejeni Okirikiri kana bododo kejeni mogu. No chop bade tini posi kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. No chopade tini posi kejeni mogu. Yo koko 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 kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Yo koko kejeni mogu. Kejeni mogu. I have the gods.
Ndokwe, I have the gods. Even the king is not permitted to come here without a notice.
Forgive me. I was sent by the king. Please.
What is it this time?
The king sent me with these gifts for Ikenga.
Ndokwe, Ikenga is not the only warrior here. Why Ikenga?
You know the king offended him months back. I believe he's seeking a peaceful ground now.
Ndokwe, is the king not aware that I am the only one to prepare what they will eat in the shrine until they leave?
But a cake of palm wine cannot harm him.
I see. Yes. Let me have it.
I think I can go now.
Ndokwe, can you taste it?
Taste what?
Taste the palm wine.
It's specially meant for Ikenga and not for me.
Oh, specially meant for Ikenga.
I'm not aware of this, so. Maybe it's from the palm wine tapper himself. I'm not aware of it.
Ndokwe,
I have to go.
Leave now.
Do you think Adaka knows about this?
Your Highness, I've told you that before.
So, do we have to bring Ikenga here in the palace?
At this point, we'll have to wait until the gods and the Adaka are through with them.
Warriors,
Anyị jere ekwu na nụkpa o, asari mmiri sanyo, ije mmiri bijuru o. Anyị jere ekwu na nụkpa o, asari mmiri sanyo, ije mmiri bijuru, ije nkwu bijomu. Anyị jere ekwu na nụkpa o, asari mmiri sanyo, ije mmiri bijuru o. Come. Yes, DK. Come forward. Yes, come forward. Yeah, come forward. Come forward. You, come forward. It is done. But remember, none of you shall sleep with any woman until the war is over. Go to the hill of blood. Tents have been made. Rest until sunset. Go and conquer. Go and conquer, warriors of Anupa.
Eye of the gods, thank you. You shall go and come.
Ikenga,
What is it?
in everything you do from now, be careful. Do not allow your sword to be far from you. It is wrong to kill a kissman, but it is not wrong to kill a kissman who has the sword on your neck. It is called self-defense.
Thank you.
It is well with you.
Lebenda gesi abia. Amecha eba nwuta. Kwata. What else of our land? I have good news for you. Igwe instructed you come and dine with him before you proceed.
You're not instructed to eat before we get to the Hill of Blood.
Could you refuse the king's order?
I would prefer we do what the gods ask us to do. Ichendukwe.
Oh?
We shall dine with the king.
Now you are talking. Let's go. Dine with Igwe before you proceed. Hey!
The sky is overcast.
Your Highness.
This is just between you and I. No other ear will hear this. When you're done drinking and eating tonight, I want you to go home to your wife. Let her massage your waist.
Your Highness, I am going to the Hill of Blood, as Adaka ordered.
But as your king, I am ordering you to go home and rest. You join them tomorrow morning.
Now remember, from now on, none of you shall eat any food prepared by a woman. You shall not sleep with your wives. You shall not shed any blood of any animal until this ritual is complete.
I've heard you, Your Highness. Thank you.
You're welcome. It is done. Nothing can stop a drunken man from making out with his beautiful wife. Talk to me, my daughter. I say, talk to me.
If you did not sleep with another man's wife, this wouldn't have been happening. This evil would not have been following us.
I will make more sacrifices to appease the land.
And the war?
I will ask our warriors to come home.
The war will linger for generations, and I will never be your daughter again.
Don't say that, my princess. I know I offended, but I will appease Ajani.
With your blood. Answer me, father.
What's that noise?
Sound of failure. We will be defeated in the war.
Ikenga. Ikenga.
I'm awake. I'm talking to my chief.
Is that not Ikenga? Did he sleep here?
Yes, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Ikenga, I told you to go home and rest.
Your Highness, other warriors are the hill of blood. I cannot go home to live with my wife.
Ikenga, you need some rest. You need to go home and get yourself some rest.
Your Highness, I'm fine. You live long, Your Highness.
Ikenga. No. If you were around, he wouldn't have died.
What happened? Who died?
They have killed my Amandi.
Amandi? Who killed Amandi? But
Ikenga, he was found dead.
Oh, take heart, eh? I'll come and see you immediately I come back from the road. Oh, there's no. Oh. Amandi. But I thought I saw him. Was that his ghost? No, that must be his ghost. Yeah. Hi, Amandi.
Kenga, what kept you back in the village?
The king's order did.
And you didn't deem it fit to inform me as a leader?
Maybe I should go back and tell the king that you're angry with him. Should I do that?
Warriors of Anupa, it is time.
You mean he did not go home to his wife? But I saw him going home this morning.
I have come to believe that Ikenga is not an ordinary human. Something unseen to us is with him.
Your Highness, there's another way.
Which other way?
I will go to the Hill of Blood with some guards and make him come home.
They might have been gone by now.
But they will stay there every night until the war is over.
I will reward you immensely if you help me avoid this shame.
Your Highness, you don't have to worry yourself.
Ndukwe, I am worried already.
I will definitely do something to bury this.
Thank you.
Don't worry yourself. On the order of the king, Ikenga should not come back alive.
Tell the king his command will yield result to his delight.
Good. Wait for the result.
No, I will not shed his blood. The people of Umuaba will.
I'm pregnant for you.
I don't know what you are talking about.
I said I'm pregnant for you. Don't kill me, please.
Abu! What are you doing? Dike. Don't do that.
Kenga, take these to the village square of Umoba and drop this.
Am I supposed to go there alone?
You are not going to fight, but to keep this.
I, Kenga, can never do that. Then consider yourself an enemy of Anupa. DK,
I don't think you're right on this one.
I don't need your opinion. I am the leader, and the king here must respect me.
Vicky, that was very unfair. Is there anything else going on that I need to know?
We are here to fight. That is what is going on. If you are the ghost of who I believe you are, what is my name?
Kenga, the Lion of Anupa.
Amandi, why has your spirit refused to rest?
I am here to help you. Give me the eye.
What is going on?
Go back to the warriors. Tell the king that you have done what he asked you to do.
Thank you.
Go.
Stop! It is done.
Welcome back.
Odogu! Odogu Woke!
They are close to the boundary. We have to attack today, or they will invade us. This could be a trap.
Ikenga, walk to that tree and make sure there is no ambush.
What? We should have come with a hunter's talk.
Do as I said. There is no time. Make sure this road is clear for us.
There could be a trap there. We can always use another path.
Noka! Stop sounding like a weakling.
This is unfair.
You won't cross this path unless you wrestle with me.
We are men of Anupa. We have fought and defeated demons with 7 heads. You can't stop us!
Wrestle with me. Then you can pass. You're the chief warrior. Wrestle with me. If you win, I will let you pass through here.
I'll go.
One more time. If I throw you the cloth, you have to go back.
Not prepared. Kenga, fight her! Finish her!
And if I defeat him?
If she defeats you, you will die by your own sword.
And if I win you, I will take your head home.
Everybody move back. Kenga. Men from my clan don't wrestle with women.
Such wisdom.
Kill her! Kill her! Don't waste our time!
Can we pass now?
Go.
White man. Chief Warrior, can we go?
What did you tell her?
Great warriors of Anupa.
Great.
We are going to Umuoba through the 3 major roads leading to the palace. You go with the Kenga. You go with him through that route. Noka, stay here with me.
But I suggest...
You don't suggest! Go now.
DK, 2 warriors cannot defeat the warriors of Umuoba and the wisdom.
Are you not the king, the great? I was expecting you to go alone.
Kenga. Come with me.
We go back to the Hill of Blood and have some rest.
Hill of Blood? DK, you said we should march in group to Umuoba while sending them to the Mount of Death.
Anuka, I want to be left alone.
DK, what is going on? How could you do this?
Leave me alone!
DK. This is not happening.
Why is it taking too long?
Your Highness, Ikenga is crafty. Dike might be finding it difficult to control him.
Then go and make Ikenga the leader of the warriors and tell him I said he must conquer Umuoba in 2 days.
That would be suspicious, Your Highness. To be suspicious.
I need to be left alone.
Run into what?
Kenga, wait. I think something is wrong with this plan. Kenga, it seems we are being set up. Anante. Ikenga, as long as Noka is there, another group will arrive from Umuoba through another route. Let us go. You don't need to be scared.
You think so?
You're with me. Come with me. He brought fight to us again. Drop your sword or you die. I cannot drop my sword. I'd rather die fighting than to surrender. Kenga, drop your sword or you join him. Now! I'd rather die.
Is it not Ikenga's armor?
How did it get here?
I don't know. I just saw it here.
It must have come from the witch doctor.
Does this mean Ikenga is dead?
Maybe that is how it pleases the gods.
Do not involve the gods on this decay. This is your own wish, your own making. If it were from the gods, the Ikenga I know wouldn't die out there.
Yes.
What could this be?
Noka, what has happened has happened.
DK, who asked you to do this? Why did you do this? What has Ikenga done to you, DK?
Take this to the king. Tell him it happened the way it was meant to be. Wait! Swear by the oath binding us that no one will hear about this.
I swear by the oath that binds warriors of Anaba that no one will hear this.
Then go then.
What were you told to tell the king?
Nothing.
Swear by your sword.
Why should I swear by my sword?
Then swear by the oath binding us.
Your Highness, my king.
I need to be left alone.
DK sent me from the Hill of Blood.
Are you here with good or bad news?
I do not know how you will bear this, my king.
Speak.
Kenga is dead.
Tell him I received the news with a heavy heart. The warriors must be strong.
Welcome, Woody. I smell good news.
Take his armor to his wife and tell her what happened.
I will do that immediately.
So this is how it happened.
Hey! Hey!
Calm down. Calm down. Just calm down.
The royal family grieves with you. Huh? Get up. Oh yeah, it's okay. Let me go, huh? It's okay.
You are both dead.
Blood in your hands.
Blood in your hands. You're dead.
Evil.
Stay away from me. Evil. Go away. You're dead. Stay away from me. Stay away. You're dead.
Are you alright? You were shouting.
Dike! I demand to know why you did this to Ikenga. Noka! Enough of this madness! Enough! Do not raise your voice at me, Dike. One more nonsense from you! I'll ask the warriors to beat you up! What? Impure, you cannot do it! Warriors, beat him up! I said beat him up! Noka, you telling me? Yeah!
Stop! I said stop! Or we will leave this war for both of you. Yes.
You were all here when he plotted the death of Ikenga. How can this war continue when his blood weeps in Umuoba? Noka, come back here! Noka, come back here! Come back! Ago, come back here! Come back here! Stefan, you want to join them? Come back! Come back! Come back! Ah!
This has said it all.
I'm sorry this happened.
I hear his body was cut into pieces.
My heart is as heavy as yours is.
My heart is broken. My heart is broken. My love. My love.
Please, get up.
My heart is broken. My love. My love. My love.
Go in and clean up. Are you hearing me? Go in and clean up. The king has ordered that you dress in a royal attire because they have invited you for a feast.
Tell the king that I will mourn my husband.
We've mourned him enough. Go in and clean up. The king has found favor in you.
And I repeat that I will mourn my husband.
Hey.
Okay.
You're welcome. Leave us alone. My queen.
Your queen? I must mourn my husband for 1 year, Igwe.
You have mourned him enough. We have mourned him enough. A new hut has been built for you. Bear my name so that when the child comes, he will have a father.
My queen, are you alright?
I'm very well, Uju.
Do you want anything?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Please come with me.
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Make sure you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine.
I'm
Your Highness, you're worried. You have to sit down. Huh?
She has been in labor since midnight. What do we call that?
She will certainly deliver. Sit down. Just calm down. Oh?
I cannot hear anything.
I wish the gods would save her. Just calm down.
Oh. Is the mother and child okay?
Baby's not coming. We have to wait and see if the gods have to do something.
You have to try more.
Please.
Please.
She's tired. I am tired. We have to go and ask the gods. So precious.
Hey. Hey. Mbakwa agidi ito l'ụkwa. Eh? Mbakwa agidi ito l'ụkwa.
A wealthy man in this clan has shown a grave wickedness to another man.
Adaka, speak.
This wealthy man has 7 plots of land, 3 barns, flocks of sheep. But his brother, a poor fellow, has 1 she-goat and 1 small plot of land. This wealthy man took the only goat belonging to his poor brother and killed it for the feast.
Does this heartless man exist in this clan? His wickedness is grave. He deserves to die.
You are the heartless man. The gods are angry with you for killing Ikenga and taking his wife.
May the gods not send their wrath on me. Adaga, will the gods take my life? What will I do to appease the gods?
7 white rams, 7 white doves, 7 white cocks, 7 royal pigs to be sacrificed at noon today.
I will do as it pleases the gods.
I have seen everything that will happen here in my dream. I'm not scared, for at the end you shall die. DK, you are the one that soiled your hands with the blood of the kinsmen, and you shall die!
Huh? What have you done? Igwe must hear this.
How dare you!
He was never dead. The gods kept him.
Ikenga. Ikenga. Ikenga.
I knew the gods will not watch this happen.
I want to see my wife.
I will not do that until Adaka asks me to.
I want you to go tell my wife that I am still alive. My wife, I pray that the gods will give you strength to stay alive till I return.
How is he faring?
The gods are taking care of him.
I wish this would pass like the new moon.
Oh no. Remember to keep this secret until the gods have spoken to me.
Even my first wife hasn't had it. But I'm worried. How would he feel now that his wife is living with the king?
The gods are putting things in place.
I will go and speak with the king. I want to ask him few questions as the kingmaker and the forebearer of this clan.
It's alright. Go well or no.
Evil, sir. You put shame on the spirit of the throne. You did not only sleep with another man's wife, you also plotted to kill him. Adaka, tell him what the gods say.
You are banished. And you have nothing to do with this clan, even in death.
And if finally you die, wherever you run to, your corpse will not be buried on the soil.
Take him. Take him away. Do not allow him to look back. Not to talk. Move back.
No! Stop! No! Stop! Please, no! May the gods forbid! I cannot watch you kill yourself. Stop. Please let me kill myself! I'm tired! Let me kill myself, please! Let me kill myself! Please don't. I'm tired. Why should you do this? Now that Ikenga, your husband, is back. Ikenga. Yes. My husband. He's alive? Very much alive. I'm back. I swear by the gods. I swear by the gods. Ikenga, your husband, is back and alive. The baby. Ah! My queen! What is wrong with you? My queen! My queen!
We need to plant trees in all our boundaries with other clans to avoid this kind of problem occurring again.
My king, that is a very beautiful idea, beautiful one. But I am of the opinion that we recruit new warriors.
Adaka,
Your Highness,
is all well with you?
Your wife has given birth to a child.
She is not my wife.
Your Highness, I am still talking. She gave birth at Otoman's house, but we lost the baby.
My king, please, you have to be a man. Please.
Your Highness.
Adaka, why are you this happy?
I have a surprise for you.
If it's about my wife, I don't want the surprise. My princess.
My new king.
The gods kept you.
Yes, they did. Through the help of this kind man, Prince Ibi.
Long live your highness.
You are welcome to my kingdom.
I have come to seek peaceful grounds. I want your people to have your land back. I do not want war.
You have spoken well. You are a good man. Have a seat.
Thank you very much.
Adaka.
My king, he has something to tell you.
I know it must be a good news.
You two have agreed on it, haven't you?
Tomorrow I will come with my father for the marriage rite.
We'll be waiting.
Adeze, I am sorry about the death of your father.
It's alright. Adaka told me how it happened. I'm sorry I didn't tell you when I saw your wife with my father.
I have forgotten about that.
But my king, you need to forgive your wife.
I said she is not my wife.
Oh yes, she is. I know you still love her. Please, my king, forgive her.
I don't forgive. What are you doing here?
I have come to see you as my king.
What do you want?
I bring my case before you. Judge it as king. The late Igwe took advantage of my weakness.
Weakness is not an excuse for adultery.
Yet you are king. What is your judgment?
Aboma, I am not in the right position to judge you, but the courts.
My king, Ikenga, I love you. I know I will live with this guilt for the rest of my life. But I honestly seek your forgiveness.
Leave my sight. I wish not to behold your presence anymore.
Please. All I ask is your forgiveness. Please.
Aboma, I forgive you. I did love you. But some things are forbidden. Go back to your people and send me well to your people.
Long live the king.
And throughout his life, Ikenga was a symbol of love and bravery.
Tell us another story now.
No, not now. Now you go home and help your mother fetch some firewood. Later, you all should come back for Moonlight Tales. Okay? Now get up, all of you.
Alwa bata, omwa do 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 do.
Alwa